sausage and egg and sausage and egg and what is this? Patriot in all God's command, we glow in hearts we see. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to do some closet declutter. So I'm going to get rid of some of the stuff that I have in my closet, reorganize it. Yep, it's in shambles right now, so I'm gonna reorganize it. And yeah, what is this girl crying about?
Because Rihanna keeps scaring me.
Alright, I keep scaring you with what? Having for breakfast. Sausage and egg and sausage and egg and what is this? Water? Yeah? Let's start with my bags, my purses. Is now empty. So I'm going to rearrange the shelf first before I start working on the bottom part and these, getting all these stuff out. Okay. Are you want to help me? I'm going to go up here. You're going to give me first. You what? Look under the pillow.
Found it.
This is the one I'm talking about. Okay. You flush.
We're just snapping the ball over. I'm snapping the ball on it over and over again.
Why are you pushing me?
Sorry, it's funny. Sorry. We're giving a hug.
much better than it was before. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sort out the clothes section. Some of the clothes inside here I'm not wearing them. I have winter stuff mixed up with summer, spring, everything mixed up together. So I may get rid of some of the stuff, put away those that I'm not wearing at the moment, and then arrange it properly. Alright, so let's see, where should I start? I'm gonna take down this clothes. Alright, take down this one. It's my coat. But guys, I love this coat. This was one of my very first coats I got when I came to Canada. But this zip spoiled, and I love it so much. It keeps me so warm. I love it. But this zip spoiled, guys, and it was the cost to fix the zip is like the cost of buying another coat. So I said no, I'm not gonna. So I don't know, I have to just do away with it. But it is heavy and it is very warm. I love it. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do away with it. Throw out the old and welcome the new. Throw the old out and welcome the new. Yep. So okay, on the stairs, on the stairs. This dress, guys, I have this dress for a very long time. I'm gonna give it away because I'm not wearing it. I don't even think it can. This dress, not well, it's more like it's a costume. So this was for my daughter. She wore it once for her dance show. It was a costume. She bought it on Amazon, so she doesn't need it anymore. It was worn once, so I have it for sale. And it also comes with this fan. Look. So if there's anybody who would like to purchase this, I'm gonna put it on Facebook Marketplace, so you can go over there and check it out. You can purchase it. So if it's more like an Indian costume or Indian outfit, it's very nice. It was worn once. Oh, Canada, our home and native land, through patriot in all God's command, we glow in hearts, we see the rise of not strong and free, from far and wide, oh Canada, we stand and guard for thee. Melissa, what are you doing?
I just
Get out of it. Thank you. this. I'm gonna throw this out. I don't need it. I don't need it. What can I use this to do? I don't know. I have these Bath and Body Works product for years. I don't use them. Yep. I don't use them. What kind of stuff inside here I need to that I'm not using. I don't know. What's this? For this purse, I wasn't sure where it was, and look, I found it. Look how tiny this is, guys. I've been looking for it and I couldn't find it, so now I found it. I've never worn it before. What's this on it? Oh my gosh, it strips. What's this? It's stripping. Oh my gosh. It's stripping. I've never worn it, but it started to strip. What's the... Oh man. Well. This is about what I have done so far. I think it looks much better than it was before. Let's continue the day, guys. So for those of you who are in the Durham region or the GTA region, if you want your hair done, you can contact me, my daughter, or my daughter. Yes, my daughter does hair in the Durham region. So just reach out and let me know, and I'll pass some information there. So she's the one who did my hair, guys, and I'm loving it. It looks so neat. It looks so good. Yeah. So she did my hair. So if you ever need your hair done, you can reach out, and she's very good at what she does, and price is good too, right? It's very affordable. So just reach out to me and let me know if you need your hair to be braided or whatever you want done to your hair. Just reach out and I'll let her know.